been very long time we see each other. I was very busy with my exam and another exam, and my mother was also busy. She was busy very, and today I'm going to release a video. Its name is Scribbling Robot. These are some Scribbling Robot works with two scientific concepts. First one is pivot and second one is friction. And pivots, I will for example of pivots. You can see around the compass. Just think this is the sun and this is the earth. The earth rotates around the sun, so that means pivot. Pivot's meaning is rotation. The friction between the motor and the surface make it move. Pivots help to rotate it. Let's look at the materials. I have MDF cut in these shapes. 3 legs, this, and I have zip tie and double side tape, and you can see sketch pens, 2 sketch pens, motor, battery holder, 2 batteries, and some rubber bands and wire and a wire. So let's get into the workshop. So let's check whether our motor is working. You can see the motor is working. You can see. Ow! It is very speed. To release this. So we are going to make the structure for the Scribbling Robot, and you can see a little tiny. You can see little switch. My mother helped me to fix this, and it works like this. See, you can see. And let's fit these 2 legs. We have to fix the battery holder with the double side tape and make sure the switch is upside down. This looks like a tea table for me. So we have to fix this triangle part under the circular part. So let's fix. Can you see these 3 notches? I'm going to put a rubber band to make sure this is very tight. This rubber band looks like my guitar string. Next step is we have to fix this motor right here and make sure that the motor and this structure will be same level. Reason why I'm telling this thing, when we switch on the motor, this will be spin, so that's how it will move. We will check the motor is working. We are using the zip tie to tighten We cannot say the double-sided sticker is very strong or not. So yeah, I'm going to try. And next part is we have to fix these two markers you can see on the two legs, and we have to make sure that it is right level like this. This top of the marker will be under the you can see a plate and circular under the circular plate. So legs fixed with the double side tape. As you can see, our scribbling robot is done. Let's check it is working as we need. So let's check. We have a paper. It's success! You can see the circles like a tornado. It's make a lot of mess also. You can see it is creating a circle designing, and it looks like very beautiful, like two tornadoes. Whatever, this is like a pipe also. We slide through the ouch. It's very nice. It's saxophone. It's